Every culture has a fantasy about time travel. Nobody fantasizes about this version. Drop a modern human into the year 800 and they won't survive 24 hours without breaking a law, insulting a stranger, or poisoning their own gut. This isn't speculation. It's a forensic reconstruction of one full day, hour by hour, and exactly what it does to a 2026 body. 3 in the morning. No alarm. The body clock here runs strictly on sunrise.
The first thing your lungs register is smoke. Thick, unventilated carbon monoxide and ash. Most peasant huts have no chimney, just an open hearth in the center of one shared room. Breakfast is whatever is left from last night, a dense barley flatbread and a cup of weak, cloudy ale. Shallow wells and surface water near the village are breeding grounds for pathogens, so the fermented ale is your safest bet. Dental care? A frayed hazel twig and a splash of vinegar. No mirror, no mint, just pure survival hygiene.
By 6 a.m., you are expected to work, clear brush, mend a fence, and follow orders from a man you cannot understand, because the dialect spoken here is functionally a foreign language to you. But the real danger isn't the manual labor. It's you. Clean skin, soft hands, a strange accent? In a closed agrarian society, stranger doesn't mean curious. It means suspect. Under the actual legal codes of the era, like the Frankish Lex Salica, failing to explain your presence to the local authorities results in crippling fines. Touch the wrong communally owned livestock, and that penalty triples. Midday, you are handed one shared pot of pottage, cabbage, leeks, fava beans, and mutton, ladled onto a thick slab of stale bread instead of a plate. You bring your own knife, sharpening it on a communal whetstone before you eat, which is where the phrase whetting your appetite originally comes from. Afterward, you wash up with soap made of boiled animal fat and wood ash, which is alkaline enough to strip the natural oils right off your skin. And you better hope you aren't acting out of line. The laws of the year 800 are ruthless. Under Charlemagne's royal decrees, if you are caught doing manual labor on a Sunday, you can be heavily fined, or even stripped of your freedom. And if you think about running away, wandering the countryside without a lord makes you an outlaw. That literally means you exist outside the protection of the law, and anyone can harm you with zero consequences. Nighttime is worse. The family, the livestock, and you will share one room to conserve body heat. You sleep on packed straw that is functionally an active ecosystem. Fleas, lice, and bedbugs will feed on you all night, every night. If you break out in a rash from the smoke or the bites, nobody here calls it allergies. Medieval medicine runs on humoral theory. Sickness means your blood is corrupted, and the standard cure is bloodletting. Stare too long at the wrong local, and you might be accused of casting the evil eye. The people here genuinely believe that human eyesight is a physical beam projecting from your eyes, not just a passive sense. Here is the part that should actually terrify you. The gut microbiome you carry in 2026 is missing entire families of bacteria that medieval humans had by default. Specifically, a fiber-digesting species called Treponema succinifaciens. It is found in nearly every ancestral gut ever sampled, but it is completely absent from the modern industrialized body. That bacteria breaks down rough plant fiber into short-chain fatty acids, keeping the gut lining sealed and inflammation low. Without it, that medieval rye bread and those fava beans don't digest. They ferment, bloat, and trigger diarrhea almost immediately. And that is the mild outcome. The soil and water here carry amoebic dysentery, giardia, and parasitic roundworms that can grow over 30 centimeters long inside your small intestine. None of it knows you're from the future. It only knows your food. Say you survive and somehow transport back to 2026. Two things can happen. Pick up the wrong pathogen, and you are in an ICU within 72 hours, fighting an ancient infection your modern immune system has absolutely no defense against. But get lucky, and a harmless ancestral bacteria takes hold instead, and something much stranger happens. Your gut might start healing in ways modern medicine struggles to replicate. It's the exact biological gap researchers are currently linking to the massive rise in Crohn's disease and autoimmune disorders.
your senses come back wrong too. After 24 hours of true pre-industrial silence, the ordinary hum of a modern air conditioner sounds like a blaring alarm. You don't just leave the dark ages behind. Some part of it leaves with you, and it's not always the bad part.
The strangest part of all this, that vital bacteria your body is missing didn't go extinct from plague or famine. It went extinct because we got too clean. So what else did we accidentally delete from human biology? And are we still doing it right now? That is exactly what the next video breaks down. The link is on your screen. Don't skip it.